That's why the U-Haul man just randomly parked over there. He probably is calling the police. Fuck him and the police. Give a shit who he calling. Fuck all these motherfuckers. Fucking with the right one. Take your loser ass on. You ain't got shit to do. Stop fucking with people. There go the police right there. Hell yeah. Let's see what the police got in store for us, folks. That's why that punk bitch there, and that's why his punk ass boyfriend behind him. And here go the police. Let's see what they got. Let's see what the PD got tonight, folks. Oh yeah. I ain't speeding either. I'm doing 50. 45. They so petty. I ain't gonna get all on his ass like he with me, because they so petty they'll try to get your ass for following too closely. Like Sergeant or Mr. Sheriff, Mr. 6'2" Rodriguez. I gotta take a right through. Yeah, even the sheriff running like a bitch. Let's see what he got. That was the sheriff. And there's two of them in there. Let's see what he got. Now he's just sitting in the middle of the parking lot. Now he's coming down this way to try to chase somebody. Now it's two of them. Look how the sheriff right here now. That's why he right here now. Now him and the other sheriff is trying to chase somebody. That's why he's right there now. Look at him. That's the only reason why he turned around the way he did. Now he's hiding back there. This is that sign says private property. I'm about to go off their property. Now let's see what he got. Now you see how the even the sheriff going around messing somebody. That's why his ass is right there now. Cause I bet the U-Haul man probably tried to call on somebody, and that's why the sheriff is right there. And now he's right here. Now he's poking out right here. See him? Now he's right there. Now I want to know. Let me ask him what his problem is. I thought I was gonna ask him a question. Look, now his ass turning around again. Hell nah. Y'all saw that shit. Hell nah. You see this shit right here? This is the bullshit I'm talking about. I cannot believe this shit. Every damn night they do this shit to me. Can you believe that shit? Look, y'all saw that shit, right? Look at him.
What's going on, man?
Not much. How you doing?
Good. Let me see your license.
I don't know where it's at.
You don't know where it's at?
No, but well, why are you pulling me over for? Like, why were you?
First off, this tag doesn't belong to this car.
Okay, but that's not a reason to pull me over. Why would?
That is reason.
No, I gotta have a legitimate reason to pull me over.
Let me see your license.
I just told you I can't. I mean, it might be in here somewhere, but I'll knock out my hands
Get
up.
out of the car.
Okay.
Get out of the car.
Watch my hands, please.
All right, put your phone up there.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
That's not my bag.
Yep.
You arresting me?
I'm detaining you. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, okay. But can you tell me why you pulled me over, though?
Yeah, because that tag doesn't belong to this car.
Okay, but that's not legit. Okay.
That is a legitimate reason. You can
Okay.
say all you want to, but that's
Okay,
a
that's
legitimate
fine.
reason.
Okay. All right. It's really not, but whatever.
All right, stand right back here. It's got some cocaine or something right here in the seat.
Cocaine. That's a baggie. That's not cocaine. I don't do drugs. You're gonna be searching forever, man.
Dash. All right, what's your name, man?
My name is Chris Lucas.
Chris Lucas.
Yes, sir.
Where you live at, Chris?
I live with my boss over there by 7. What's that shit called? I don't really know its exact address, but it's
Okay, what you doing down here?
I was just coming from Wilmington. I do cop and crony watching. This is my bait car that you put me over in.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that's fine. What's your date of birth, Chris?
March 30th, 1988.
All right. Stand right here with Deputy Durrett.
Okay.
Whose tag is that? That's fine. We don't have a problem.
So, you guys saw everything that happened, and since we're still live, you saw how both of them pulled into the gas station, and then they turned around, and they did all that stuff, and then they came out here and stalked me and did all that crap, and that's the whole reason why they pulled into the gas station. Just want to make sure that it's documented, or even though you guys already saw it. But that's what happened, and that's why they both pulled into the gas station the way they did, and that's why they both popped out of nowhere, just like all their cronies on our little Crime Watch community apps are popping out of nowhere left and right. And they don't say nothing about that, ain't nothing suspicious about that, but that's why they wanted to get me off the streets, because I watch their department all the time, and that's why I did what I did tonight. I think we're going, 8 hours now? So once this live stream ends, you can see what they do and what type of police officers they are from New Hanover County to Brunswick County, and what type of so-called real police work that they do. He couldn't wait to turn on them lights. That's his joy in life, is to pull somebody out of their car, flex his power, and just pull somebody over for no reason. And that's why I do what I do, for you guys to see that that's what they do from here to New Hanover County. And now I'm in handcuffs and being detained because these two were basically stalking me. And that's the whole reason why they pulled into the gas station. And if I didn't pull around, they would have did all that stuff. They would have got behind me and turned on the lights anyway, just like I've been telling you the whole trip for whatever hour we're on now. And that's the way it goes. Why don't you just open the door, man? You can open the door if you want.
You said I can't open the door?
Yeah, you might as well. I mean,
Hey, as soon as Bryce gets out, you can take him out of cuffs.
oh, now they got back
I'm
up.
gonna take these cuffs off of you, okay? And just turn around and get on the vehicle, alright?
Can you hand me my cell phone? Okay.
I was just trying to look and see what that little pill right there was. So I see that right there. What does that look like to you?
There you
But it looks like it's
Put your hands right
cigarette
there, thank
ash. That's all it is. But
Really?
I saw that. Yeah. So I think that's what it is. I mean, you got a Nick White.
Oh, it's cigars. Is that what you're talking about?
So, well, so my issue, man, is that you got a torn baggie that looks like a Coke bag, and then you got like white powder all between your legs. That's why you got pulled out of the car and got put in handcuffs.
I was working today. That's
I got
mud.
you, man. So that's why you got pulled out of the car and got put in handcuffs.
Okay.
All right. But now that I've got more people here, just hang tight, okay?
Can I get can she hand me my cell phone?
Yeah, you can take your cell phone. That's fine.
This is yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Test that real quick, man. Just see what it is. If it's ash, then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
So, but yeah, the tag not being right here, yeah,
Okay.
that's enough for me to stop you all day long.
All right.
So,
Okay, man, you want to stand up there for me?
Yeah, I'm barefooted too. Look at my feet, y'all.
Literally, like, sit on the front of the car.
I'm not gonna sit on this car. I'll lean right here. I'm gonna
Yeah,
sit
you're
on
fine.
it. Trying to see what that looks like. I guess it could look like powder. It's mud though, but I'm working today. Hey, can you turn my car off, please? Can you turn the car, sir? Can you turn my car off, please? If you don't mind. I ain't trying to waste gas.
so what you do, man? Just run around all night just trying to get pulled over.
No, I actually try not to get pulled over.
So is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's my bait car, but it's a car. I mean, it's my car.
Is that your bait car?
It's a bait car.
First of all, you said my bait car. And I was like, what the heck is a bait car? I've never heard of that.
all kinds of cameras in there.
Yeah. Cocaine bag, I think you said.
Get the lights off, man, so that way your battery doesn't die. I'll get it.
Okay.
I'll get it.
That's what he wanted to do the whole time. That's what the new Hanover and the Brunswick County Sheriff's Office want. They want me off the street because I made them follow the law. They don't want to follow the law. That's what the Leland PD did last time. All about.
Got any shoes, buddy?
Yeah, they're in the car.
Okay.
And it's funny because I told y'all that's what they were about. That's what they were gonna do. That's the whole point of it, though.
You guys see you walking around, right? You walk around quite a bit.
Yep.
You put some miles down. That's where you put some miles in there walking around all the time, and you get a good workout in.
Well, I'm talking to my subscribers on YouTube
Oh, okay.
and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah. That's a good workout walking around.
Give you a ticket for that plate that doesn't belong on there. I'm gonna take that plate because it doesn't belong to you and it doesn't belong to that car.
Okay.
Alright, so other than that, since we get that, you're gonna have to figure out some way of getting your car out of here. You're just not gonna be able to drive it. Okay. Because your license plate was revoked due to insurance stop back in 2020. So other than that,
Wait a minute, hold on. What's that?
I said your other license plate, the license plate that's supposed to be on the car, was taken by us.
Leland PD,
That's,
yeah.
by Leland PD.
Uh-huh.
So, she gets through writing the ticket, you know, just pull your car out of their yard, just pull it down here, and you'll be all set. Okay?
Okay.
So give me a second, she'll be through in just a minute, and we'll be clear to leave.
All right.
Yeah, you one that always stands right there under the overpass on Village Road, right?
I walk.
17 overpass.
I walk everywhere. I walk all around the town.
He walks all the time. He gets some miles in.
I told you.
Citation. Your court date's going to be January 11th, 2023, courthouse in Bolivia, Carlson County Courthouse. I wrote you for the petition displaying the petitioner's tag on the vehicle. If you get everything squared away with the courthouse, you contact the clerk of court and figure out how much you need to pay to get everything squared away. You don't have to go to your court date. You'll have everything squared away before then. But if you don't get everything squared away before then, you need to show up and place your court date.
Okay.
Good?
Well, you said everything's squared away, like the insurance and the new place and all that other stuff.
So get all that stuff, and then if you do that, then what I would probably recommend you do is to go to the court date, so that way you can show all that stuff to the district attorney, and that way maybe that you and the district attorney can possibly work something out. I mean, I can't make any promises because I'm not the district attorney, so I don't make promises because I don't work for them.
Okay.
So just get everything taken care of. Just go to court. Whenever you go to court, just show them that you got everything taken care of,
Okay.
and then from there, you know, they may be able to work something out with you. Okay. That makes sense. So, all right. Other than that, man, you're all set.
That was perfect. I couldn't have ended any better. This live couldn't have ended any better. That's what that was all about. That's the only reason why, like I told you guys from the very beginning, that's all. He said I got to get my car out of their yard. Like I told you guys from the very beginning, that's all that they want to do. That's the only thing that New Hanover County and Brunswick County Sheriff's Office want to do is they want to be bullies with badges. He said I got to get my car out of the yard, so. And that's the whole reason why they did that. I called his ass many times. I called all of them many times. First of all, he lied. There's not a legitimate reason to pull somebody over. That's the whole point of the bait car. And like I said, that's why you know that they're not real law enforcement officials and they don't follow the law. And that's all that they wanted to do. So just like the Leland PD, when they first did it, that was all it was about, was them getting me off the streets. And that's why he did that. And that's why they did what they did. It don't have anything. He lied. That is not a legitimate reason to take somebody's tags just because they have. That's the whole point of the bait car. So basically, he's just a liar, and they all three of them were being fake nice to me. But it solidified everything that I've been telling you guys, especially even in this live alone. You can't just pull somebody over just because they have tags that don't match their car. But when look at how they're cowards, how it takes three of them. That's all they want to do is be bullies. So you can't just pull somebody over just because they have tags that don't belong to their vehicle. You have to have a legitimate reason to pull somebody over. That's why he did what he did and then went down this way and then came back this way and then parked right here and did all that shit that he did because they don't want me on the streets. That's the only reason why they did that. But they're so dumb because I still got my license and I still have another car and I still have other cars to go and I still have my feet. So I'll still be watching them 24 hours of the day. So basically, they just solidified everything. And I think she might have been new, and that's why they let her write the ticket or whatever. That's all they wanted to do. That's all. That was what all that was about. And again, I've seen a guy lose his life over cops stopping him because he had because the plates didn't match his car or something like that. That's what they are bullies with badges. Not only now they know that they can run free and do whatever they want on the streets. That's all he wanted to do. So now I'm sitting here and I can't go nowhere because they just lied and did all that stuff. Now I got to call my boss and figure out how I'm going to get to the yard, or I'm going to have to sleep right here. That's all they are dickheads and assholes, and they do all that shit on purpose. And I was going to go home. So now I have to sit here. Now I can't even drive no more. He told me I had to get my car out the road. So I'm about to go park it at Skipper's and get it out the road and watch that intersection. And then they still know when I'm moving because they're on their little computers. But I don't want to park my car right there on somebody. And then how are you going to pull me over in a neighborhood? He pulled me over in the neighborhood. He stalked me, went all the way back there and did all that shit like that on purpose. So now I'm about to park my car right here at the Skipper's. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for doing this. But he told me to get my car off the road, and I can't just sit it in the back of an alleyway like that. But that's why all of their asses are out here like that. That's why. And then look how cowardly they were. They called 2 more people. He's right there, but I'm about to go park right here. So he told me to get my car off the road. I can't sit it back there, so I gotta go right. I gotta get it off the road, and I can't sit it in the back of that neighborhood. So I'd rather sit it at a store right here. At least I can, get it in the thing, but I can't just sit it in the back road like that. I can try to call my boss or something like that. That's all I can do. And then that's why they're waiting right there on the side now.